Hello, I thought I'm gonna do a little video showing how to replace lower ball joint on the Lexus Ls400. This is 1998. Well, that's the lower ball joint, and we'll also be replacing this. That's the track rod end. This is quite loose, as you can see. The rubber's cracked already. Same as this shouldn't be that loose. Well, so basically to replace that you need to take the wheel off, obviously, and then undo two bolts from here and there, and these are holding the brake caliper. You can cable tie it to wherever you want, so it's secured and it's not going to break the brake line. So after you remove these bolts, you get access to better access to this one, to the track rod end. This basically goes in like that. So you just undo this nut, and then I've got a little device I got off eBay, which is this. That's the ball joint remover. It's quite easy to use. You basically put it under this, and then this compressing the top. You wind this nut in, the bolt in, and then it's depressing the ball joint. So after you got this loose, you need to undo these two bolts. They are from the bottom. I think they are all like 17mm bolts and nuts. So these two are bolted into the hub here, and then it's the same on the other side. So once you get these two loose, you can basically just pull this up because it's quite heavy. Just pull it up like that, and you take it off here. If you want to do the bearing, you got to do the same job. You need to make this free from here, and then you will also have to remove this one here. Then the whole thing comes out, the whole hub comes out. You take the brake disc off. There are two bolts holding it, like this one and that one there. Yeah, and after that you need to pop off the cap, which is here at the back, and you get access to the nut holding the hub. I've done that on the other side. On this side I'm not doing it yet. I might do it a bit later. But I had to go to the garage, so they basically just cut it out with a flame torch. I mean, like proper cutting out, not just hitting this up. They had to cut it out because they couldn't just remove it, because the construction of it is so bad that you actually can't put it securely on a press to take the bearing out. Yeah, so basically to remove that, there's a nut here, so you need to undo this nut. Then you basically undo it. Just count how many times you're going to turn it before you take it off, so then that will give you sort of the same distance, so you don't really have to do the you don't have to do the geometry of the steering, or however you want to call it. So to remove this one, there's another bolt at the bottom here. It's got the pin in it, like this one here. You gotta remove this pin, undo this bolt, and yeah, and basically take it out. I'll probably use the same thing here on this one. As you can see, that's quite worn. The rubber's probably cracked as well, yeah. That's the new part. I managed to find it on eBay. That's the track rod end here, and I also have this lower ball joint. That's what it looks like when it's removed. it goes in like that. This particular one doesn't have that castle nut, so there's no need for the locking pin, as it's got a little rubber, so they are self-locking nuts. And that's it. To put it all back together, you basically replace it, secure the nuts. If you've got any questions about the torque specs or anything like that, just let me know. I can give it to you. I can't remember it right now, so I'm not gonna say it now. And yeah, that's it pretty much.